Today I'm going to show you how to use go.usd497.org. So the first thing that you want to do is open up a browser, whether it be on a tablet or a computer, and type go.usd497.org. This is where the district is housing all the websites so that it's easy to get to in one location with a single sign-in. So you'll go to Student, and you can either sign in with your student ID and the password, which generally starts as the birth date. So it would be 2 digits for the month, 2 digits for the date, and 4 digits for the year. Or if you have a quick card, you can sign in using this button. So I have a quick card. So the first time it'll ask you if you want to use if they can have the computer, the camera access to it, and once you allow that, you can, and you will see this. So this is all of the different icons and websites that the district is using. It might differ from child to child or grade to grade, but the most important ones would be the Destiny, which is going to be the library for the whole district, the district website, all of the Google Suite, which again is going to be your username, which is your student ID, at students.usd497.org, and then that will get you into all of these. There's also Reading A to Z for K through 5, Reading Street, K through 5, Seesaw, even though you may not have access to it depending on how your teacher uses it. If you have a whole class code, then you won't be able to get on at home. And Think Central, which is math. And then finally our Unified Classroom, which can help you find grades as well as any pages that the teacher has made. And if you need any help, you can always hit the tech button. I'll be back to show you how to use specific apps shortly.